Welcome to Wellington Tianjin Summer Camp, where global minds thrive. I'm your summer camp director, Ilko. Please let me take you around our campus and meet our teachers and see our beautiful school.
Greetings, World Adventures. I am Jonathan from Wellington Tianjin, and your passport to linguistic adventures is here. At Tianjin's camp, we'll debate, talk, explore, all in English. Sign up now. Let's make the summer echo with your voice. Tianjin's waiting, and so are millions of untold stories.
Hello designers, I'm Megan Jones from Wellington Tianjin. This summer we're going to be working our way through some very rocky waters and developing some products that can help us solve our problems. That's not forgetting a little bit of a competitive flair throughout all of our projects. You can sign up now and join me and the rest of the teachers at the Wellington Summer Camp. See you in Tianjin, and it's going to be really good to get very, very messy.
Hello future maths explorers, my name is Mr. Parker. I am a maths teacher here at Wellington Tianjin, and during the summer camp I'll be doing lots of mathematical puzzles and investigations with you all. To get you started, here is a mathematical puzzle for you to have a go at home.
Hi guys, I'm Mr. Mike and I'll be your science teacher at Wellington Tianjin Summer Camp. We'll be doing lots of fun science experiments and learning about the ideas of the universe, looking at energy, forces, and I'm excited to see you guys there.